Okay, so this is our second practical, which is a square wave generator using op-amp. So as we all know, the op-amp is IC741, a small chip which is a 8-pin IC, and using this 8-pin IC we can see the circuit diagram which is mounted on this board. So as per the circuit diagram, two resistors which are used for the calibration purpose, which we can say we can set the gains based on these resistors. One capacitor is connected, which is on the basis of charging of this capacitor we are actually getting the output waveform. One load resistance is connected to the feedback. By varying this variable resistance we can actually set the tuning between RC circuit, and based on this the time constant bit of R and C, we can actually set the pulse of this output wave. Means pulse width of this output waveform can be varied by using this potentiometer, which is nothing but used as a variable resistance. So this is circuit diagram as we have already seen in the theoretical, or you can go through the manual as well. So same diagram is implemented here. Now we will connect a plus VCC and negative VCC, means two supply voltages here. Like let's say we will connect a 5-volt supply here, and we expect that a pulse will generate at this, means square wave output waveform will be generated at this particular port. So here we will connect a constant DC, this will be connected to ground, and this will be connected to phase plus point of the DC, and across this VCC we assume that we should get some voltage here. In this practical we are using one function generator, or we can say DC voltage, which is going to provide us a DC voltage. Now from these two knobs we are going to set a DC voltage here. So okay, so we can set this waveform to 5 volt, let's say. So this is now 5 volt. So we are going to connect plus VCC and minus VCC at the output side. Sorry, at the input. This is plus. So plus is connected to the plus VCC. This is negative VCC. Now let us connect CRO. So see, if I move this one position, okay, so this is pin of first port channel. So as I connect this, so the waveform is shifted to 5 volt, and we can see the channel setting is at 2 volt. So one block is of 2 volt, 2 plus half of this, so it is set around 5 volts. Now let's see what is the output we are getting. So this is square waveform we are getting at this output side. So now let's vary this potentiometer, and as you can see we actually varying the on time of the pulse. So this is purely based on the charging of capacitor. As the charging time of capacitor increases, the pulse width increases. This is minimum pulse width by using this R and C combination, and this is maximum pulse width. So see, we can vary the pulses. So this is our square wave generator using IC 741 or op amp.